Oh, did you get Cameron's
Okay, I'm on video.
bus?
I'm calling this I'm
Dante,
calling this on video.
He did. Dante. He did. I mean, he did.
he did.
Yes.
Alright. We depart at 6
Don't
a.m.
you think he got the thing on Discord?
I swear I'm recording this on video right now. I'm already recording.
Let me check my wild number for 2019 for today.
If somebody got a 2013, they're very lucky.
Okay, I'm just gonna get my route.
A bus right now.
Oh, never mind. Mine is already dead.
Yo, Dante.
Yes.
Can I drive 5049?
The person not here, so yeah, go ahead.
You know, I've been using a couple buses multiple times.
Hey.
Okay. Let me.
Now leave MSAM. This is a full route. Do not rush the routes. This is
Also,
not a race.
I was lucky. The last time Route 2021 is not running. Cause the last time I did this route, someone stole my bus. Somebody took my bus.
I need to hurry up.
Someone nearly just took my bus last time.
CE.
That's so bad I had to use someone else's bus.
No.
I had to use someone else's bus the other time.
Drive.
Oh, because someone took it.
You almost hit my bus.
Oh, who's in the C2?
Me?
No, who's in the CE?
My Wi-Fi is trash right now.
But I'm just driving my own national Bluebird Night 2022 Bluebird Vision. Holy cow! Oh, there's a right. Oh my goodness, that's really awesome. They had a new bus stop. Oh, wait a second. Speaking of bus stops, do I have any? Did anyone have routes in this one? Or was that just nothing? Just trying to turn. Yeah, I'm just making my way out of here.
How was that such a hard turn?
Okay, here we go. We're finally on the road. Oh, funny enough, I got a new stop right here.
Oh
my goodness. Here's my first stop. I'm gonna have to remember what number is it.
Does the wipers work on here?
Yeah. Mine work. Mine just did.
Oh, so it's 650? Okay.
Yeah.
You just click it on the left where it says windshield or something. Okay.
Please do not unload at MS by 7 o'clock. You unload at 7 o'clock.
Please do not get there before.
This is a raining morning. It's crazy.
6:50 on the dot. I might be there like 6:50, 6:49.
Yo,
okay, I'm on my way to my
You're gonna turn left or right. Go ahead.
I don't know why.
Go 5049.
I gotta turn. Okay.
Come on,
Oh
bud.
my god. Come on, you got that. You got
My
that.
baby got power. Hey,
There you go.
Run, kids, run! Waves.
It's raining.
Does the wipers work on here?
They
Oh
work.
my god.
They actually work for
Does
me.
the wipers work on here, bro?
Yeah.
What button is
Oh
it?
my goodness.
It's not a button. It's like by. It's
Yeah,
like
it's
left
by
to bottom.
it's by the
I see it. Run, kids, run!
I don't know who in this BBG in front of me, but I'm trying to.
What bus number is it? What route number?
Well, it's lucky my kids are already prepared for weathers like this.
Well, no, that.
They're all wearing raincoats are here. Notice they're prepared for weather like
That's
this.
Dante.
Hey, speaking of weather,
Bro, drive so
what's
slow.
next door? Oh, what bus is it? Who's driving 2019?
I'm driving.
That's me.
I'm driving my regular 20 bus, my
Do you know
bus
what year my bus
2022.
is? Route 4085. You know the year.
Oh!
2019.
I can't
Friday
believe that
the
it just came.
2019.
It just turned red
2019.
immediately. Oh my goodness! Just made me went blue a stoplight. Are you
Who is
kidding
this?
me?
Vontae join y'all.
That's so brutal.
Yeah, I have
So
my
brutal.
voice on this time, so please do not act weird.
What's wrong?
Oh, now we have a little exit, little roundabout. Oh, about time they added this.
I don't know
'Cause I've
what's
been-
wrong with not pressing Roblox. Is anyone cool with him?
Nope.
Nobody ain't even cool with him, bro.
Oh, it's sunny now.
What if he's gay?
Whoa, whoa,
Bro.
don't say that
It's
in the
just
chat.
stuck.
I'm sorry.
Okay, here I am. I'm gonna make my way. I think this should be my last stop, and then I'm gonna make my way to middle school. I won't have enough time to go over.
Bro, we got 10
Everything.
minutes left. We just...
I need to change the time after this.
Why?
Oh, I'm in the wrong lane.
Too fast.
Bro, this clock is fast, bro.
Yeah, I don't know how that possible.
Oh, my character is leaning on the steering wheel.
Yeah, that's why they recommend having weather updates, because the time will go fast. 100 times fast.
Come on,
Or 60
Blueberry,
times
you got
fast.
this.
Let me change. Let me
It's on
put it
traffic
back
light.
a bit.
That's why I don't like games
There you
with
go.
weather updates.
The trainees. I feel bad.
I'm already on my...
I'm the first one at MS.
Holy cow, that's a lot of buses coming.
I forgot you changed the time.
Because I hate when I go to Brazil, I swear I would be
Oh my
mad.
god, bro.
You are now going to.
Who is going to Brazil? Because I hate the
Whoever
place.
Whoever off-road is going to Brazil.
Yeah, I'm not going to Brazil. I hate Brazil.
I'm going
I've been to Brazil twice and I hate it.
You're going to Brazil.
You're going to Brazil! I just did that. I just definitely
Open
just
the door.
Whoever's in that vision, they're just sitting there with their reds on.
Dante, don't do Brazil.
No, this is not Brazil. This is not the time. This is not perfect time right now. I'm in the middle of my route right now.
I'm gonna turn my buzz off.
You there already?
No, I accidentally turned my buzz off.
Taking
About to
left.
say.
Congratulations. This is a superstar.
Wait, what? How did the time just switch from 6:40 to 6:25?
Dante switching time.
Yeah.
The route was gonna be longer. The route was gonna be longer and longer.
Every time. I'm just making my way to the school since I'm not gonna go too long. I'm not gonna do a
We're gonna
long
do
route.
EMS.
I'm just making my way
After
to
the
middle
Grover
school.
route- after-
Making it
after we
around
finish our-
downtown, going to middle school. Cause who cares? I keep saying this song wherever I go.
Ready for school, bro.
Am I the only one that has to press like a small little dot to turn off the parking brake?
Oh no.
I'm not even pressing anything. All I
I
have to
need
do
the
is
CE.
all I have
Oh
to do is
my.
press my brake pedal and then it turns.
Somebody in the CE at MS.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm losing control a
Bro,
little
the
bit.
C2 have power.
Yo, and Dev got power.
It's so hard to
This
turn.
feet tech over here.
These visions barely have any like. They just need better rigging.
642.
Because these visions are horrible. Like they're not horrible, but they need better rigging.
I'm actually pushing this C2, bro.
Keep it. Ain't that Vontae on a K bus?
What?
The C2.
I'm in 4087. It was open, and it's assigned to me.
I'm 4085.
And I might be late. A warehouse is hiring. What it looks like, I'm bound to be late.
Holy crap! It's traffic.
Willie Billy Goach Gruff is the actual owner of the company.
Is it just
Dante
viewers?
was
There's,
about to run my
this
red
is
if
the
I didn't
same
close
prep
him.
again, but there's people traffic.
I've been hanging with bro. I've been hanging with Dante and them for like.
Please
3
don't
months.
tell me this is traffic jam. Oh my!
Oh,
They're just
Willow,
blocking
they're
the
kicking me.
entrance.
Willow's in the CE behind me.
Pay
Can you,
attention.
can
Pay
you
attention.
change the time? Some of us may be
I'm
late.
already next door,
No,
but
Nobody's
trying
gonna be
to
late
get over
because
there.
Middle school starts at 7:30, so
7:30.
yep.
oh
it's
my god! I
11:30.
just got here, but
Why
everybody's.
would you just
Oh my goodness! There's so.
you made-
Why is this bloomer not going? Ow! I think I just hurt myself.
How bad, Dante? I couldn't stop. The brakes suck.
Okay, finally,
You
about
literally
time.
passed a red light.
Oh, dang. I almost hit a bus. Who's in the propane? 2240.
No.
Y'all need to hurry up. These buses are slow.
Oh, y'all.
Man, I know Willow loved that CE. He loved the CE.
Y'all
Oh my
brake
goodness!
checking me.
I was gonna worry I was gonna crash.
Way up clear.
Dante, don't brake check me again.
I did not brake check you. I was turning
You
to
sure
make a
did.
stop.
And I was right behind you. And then you just randomly
Oh my
stopped
goodness! I forgot to turn on my blinkers.
without telling me or anything.
Well, you could literally see my turn signal. Come on. Now.
I didn't see it until I like got really
Blind.
close. And
You're
then brake checked.
blind then.
Last bus.
Yeah, blind. No
Why
wonder
do
I
I
got
have to be the last bus? I'm the last bus.
the last bus.
I'm the
Me.
first bus.
Oh, I literally probably the last bus coming
I'm the
to
first bus.
MS.
I think
Oh,
Dante is
you-
I'm like the fourth
You
one
ain't
to
even
arrive
had
to
a bus.
school.
I just about to turn and go to Parkway.
I'm in front of Willow.
I'm
So